Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have just received your Pluxee card and you are not sure how to activate it, you are not alone because many users get confused during the first setup. A new card cannot be used for payments until it is properly activated, and if you skip any step, transactions may not work. Some people try to use the card directly and then face issues at checkout. The activation process is simple, but it must be done correctly using the official method. It may involve logging into your account, verifying your details, or setting a PIN for security. Once the activation is complete, the card becomes ready for use both online and offline. In this video, I will show you step by step how to activate a Pluxee card. Try these. 1. Open the official Pluxee app or website using your device. 2. Log into your account linked with the Pluxee card. 3. Select the Pluxee card from your account dashboard. 4. Choose the Activate option for the Pluxee card. 5. Enter the required details and set a PIN for the Pluxee card. 6. Confirm activation of the Pluxee card and check if it is ready to use.